Hi everyone, this is Lukmi. Welcome to my kitchen. It's been 3 years since the last time I posted a cooking video. I really hope you and your family are doing well and staying healthy. Back in the kitchen this time, I am going to focus on what I ate growing up, all my childhood favorite dishes in authentic Northern Thai, Isan or Northeastern Thai, and Thai cuisines. Today, let's make Mok Nor Mai Som, which is spicy, baked, sour bamboo shoot. Let's get started. I have prepared all the ingredients. Let's start making the paste. Start by adding the chilies and lemongrass first in the stone mortar and pestle. And now it's time to smash. You want to make sure that you add the hard ingredients into the mortar and smash the hard ingredients first, and then you add the soft ingredients afterwards. Now that it looks pretty fine, I'm going to add the shallots. Let's not forget to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that it looks fine like this, let's add some soaked glutinous rice. This is about a 1/3 cup. And now our paste looks ready. In a large bowl, I'm going to start with putting all the mushrooms in, our rinse and clean sour bamboo shoot, all of it, Thai basil and green onions going in. Now our paste going in. About a 1/3 cup of fermented fish sauce. If you don't have it, you can substitute it with just fish sauce. Going in. Now I'm going to mix it together. Normally we would wrap it in banana leaf, but since I live in Colorado and there's no banana tree around, so I'm going to use foil instead. I double the foil. I'm going to add our mixed mushroom bamboo shoot in here. That looks good, one portion. And I'm going to wrap it. We are going to put this in our preheated oven for about 45 minutes. While waiting for our bamboo shoot to cook in the oven, let's start cooking our sticky rice. You are going to pour the sticky rice, the overnight soaked sticky rice, into the steamer insert with wet cheesecloth like this. Add water into the rice cooker. Add our sticky rice, close it. We are going to steam it for 20 minutes. I think our rice is ready. This thing is really hot. You have to be careful. Let's scoop it into our rice bowl. It was 40 minutes in the oven and I think it's also ready. Let's open it. Wow, it looks so good. It smells so good, you guys. I'm going to put it on a plate and let's taste it together. Our Mok Nor Mai is ready. It smells so good. I top it with fried garlic. And this is the sticky rice. Normally, in Northern Thai cuisine and Northeastern Thai cuisine, we like to eat our food with sticky rice. So after you steam it, you boil it up, and you dig in, grab some of the Mok Nor Mai Som. Umami from the fermented fish sauce. The only seasoning I use here is the fermented fish sauce, and it brings everything together. The herbs, the mushroom, the aroma from the lemongrass. Let me have another bite. It's so hot still. Make sure you soak the sticky rice overnight and then steam it for like 20-30 minutes, okay? You cannot cook sticky rice the same way that you would cook jasmine rice. Make sure you follow my channel, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye!